Hey guys and gals, this is Heather Kimber with Launch Technology Group. Hey, we are really excited to be a part of this community and this platform. From what we've seen, Kevin and his team have put together a great platform that offers just a unique and fantastic service. We've actually decided to go the advertising and sponsorship route as we're getting free hotspots out to put together a network that we can then offer sponsorships and different offers to. We actually, part of Launch Technology Group owns a print shop, and so with every order for a business that seems to make sense for the Wi-Fi hotspots, we will include some marketing material and have a marketing funnel to bring the customers through. So you see behind me some of the marketing collateral. That's just kind of some of the marketing collateral that will go out with each of the orders. So we're really excited to get going. We've actually joined myWiFi quite some time ago, but just really hitting the ground hard right now. So we're really excited to get going, and thankful for Kevin and his team for such a fantastic platform. Thanks.